I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. And then the fact that this is a closure. Chef's kiss. I mean, seriously, the best closure install yet. Look at these simple steps to achieve this beautiful look and to get these curls popping into this wig. It was nothing to straighten this hair, to get it silky smooth, and to get the curls popping. You guys, let's get into this install. But first, love the fact that you can go from curly to straight, back to curly. Even after I put all that heat on this hair, curls are popping. They still look amazing. I love this wig. Okay, I'm not playing with this unit because the hair was so nice, just so top tier, and the lace was even better. Look at that melt. Wig wear. Love the yellow packaging. It eats every time. Of course, all of your install goodies. Gotta love it. Okay, so this wig is 20 inches. It's so beautiful and curly. This is a closure unit, and this is on a breathable cap. You see here, like literally stick my fingers through. So if you sweat or any of that, your hair and your scalp would definitely be able to breathe with this unit on. Comes with the elastic band. And it also comes with this wig grip, and that grip goes from the closure all around to the other side. This wig lace has already been cut, and the hairline has been pre-plucked. Okay, y'all, got up so early. It is 6:46 in the morning. Lace already cut, all the work done for me. Like I said, this is a glueless unit, and if you like, you know, you're done. Once you put it on, you're done. That's it. But for me, I'm a little extra and I'm gonna do a couple extra steps with this look today. So first thing, take my Ebin spray. Corners be the first thing to lift. Okay, that's cute. Do this little number. Okay, I'm gonna finish diffusing my hair, do a slight little makeup look. All right, makeup complete. Took me like 20 minutes. Oh, that looks so good. I think I need a little bit of concealer on my part. And that's all for this look for right now. I'll be back later to show you guys how I straighten it. So keep watching for that. Rolled over my toe. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. I've been up since like, I could have been like 5:30, 5:45. I don't know. I've been up a long time and I'm sleepy. I'm forcing myself. Oh, okay. My hair is so cute, baby. I promise you, I got over 5 compliments today. Like, the hair color is chef's kiss. This color looks so good on me. So good. And then the curly hair, the jewelry. All right, so I'm gonna straighten my hair real quick. Okay, y'all, it looks so good straightened. Look at this. Just let y'all see a comparison. This is the length of the curly. This is the length of the straightened. Look at that. And it was so easy to straighten. It didn't get bone straight, but I love the texture that it is while it's straightened though. So bomb. Let me do this side. Like, it's giving kinky straight. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. And then the fact that this is a closure. Stop playing with it. Like, oh, you're coming home with me. I gotta take this makeup off my face, honey. It's been on all day. All right, you guys, let me know down below, which one would you choose? Bust down straight middle part, or would you choose bust down curly? Okay, y'all, so really quick, I washed my wig. I love this wig. Love the fact that you can go from curly to straight, back to curly. Even after I put all that heat on this hair, curls are popping, but they still look amazing. And I love this ventilating cap because, baby, when my head was itching earlier, I was able to dig in that junk and just get it popping. Yeah, I love that. And plus, if you sweat, perfect, because your hair and your scalp can breathe.